Alright, we're going to unbox our Ovation Celebrity Elite Spalted Maple Top. Let's take a look. This was ordered from Guitar Center. Ordered it on Sunday, showed up Friday afternoon. Let's see what it looks like. So they packed. Let's see. Take this out. Guitar Center. A little ding there. Let's take a look. That side up. Let's see. There's an important notice right here. It says check contents thoroughly. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is the part we've been waiting for. Let's take a look. And you guys ready for first impressions? Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. She is a beauty. First impressions, amazing. Definitely not in tune. I haven't played it yet, but let's see. First impressions. She is a beauty. Look at that top. Let's go ahead and tune her up and see how she sounds. Alright, just got it tuned up. First impression. She just sings. Sounds great unplugged. I can't wait to plug her in. She's a beaut.